Good evening. Today, 21 June 2020, me Ala was news anchor from Lavafara Media. Here brings you the world-related updated news from all around the world. Yoga Day to be marked on a digital platform amid COVID-19 pandemic. New Delhi, with the pandemic looming large, International Day of Yoga on Sunday will be celebrated on digital media platforms. Suns, mass gatherings and Prime Minister Narendra Modi's messages would be the highlight of the occasion. Yoga Day will go digital for the first time since June 21, 2015, when it began to be celebrated across the world, coinciding with the summer solstice each year. This year theme is Yoga at Home and Yoga with Family, and people will be able to join the celebrations virtually at 7 a.m. on June 21. The Indian missions abroad are trying to reach out to the people through digital media as well as institutions that support yoga, officials said. The Ministry of Ayush had planned to hold a great event in Leh but cancelled it due to the pandemic. On December 11, 2014, the United Nations General Assembly declared 21 as International Day of Yoga, months after Modi had proposed the idea. MS Modi will be the highlight of the International Day of Yoga, which will be observed on electronic and digital platforms on June 21. The Ayush Ministry said on Thursday. Due to the current global health emergency due to the COVID-19 outbreak, the focus this year is less on such celebrations and more on people performing yoga at homes, with participation of the entire family. The ministry said the Prime Minister remarks will be televised at 6:30 a.m. A statement by the Ministry of Ayurveda, Yoga and Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy Ayush said, as he has in International Day of Yoga IDY observation, the PM's message will be followed by a live demonstration of a 45-minute common yoga protocol CYP by a team from Morarji Desai National Institute of Yoga. The CYP drill has been assigned keeping in mind people of different age groups and of varied walk. The ministry has said in the statement, yoga is found to be especially relevant in the pandemic situation since its practice leads to both physical and mental well-being and increases the individual's ability to fight disease, it said. Modi on Thursday had urged people in the video message to observe the day from the confines of their home. The COVID-19 pandemic. This year, the event will highlight the utility of yoga for individuals to develop immunity, to combat the global pandemic, and strengthen the community in managing some of the significant aspects of the crisis. Vinay Sahasrabudhe, President, Indian Council for Cultural Relations (ICCR), earlier month. The ministry and ICCR through the My Life, My Yoga video blogging competition, which was launched by the Prime Minister on 31st May, has sought to raise awareness about yoga and inspire people to prepare for and becoming active participants in the observation of IDY 2020. Has two legs, the first one consisting of international video blogging contest, wherein the winners will be picked within a country. They will be followed by the global prize winners who will be selected from different countries. To enter the contest, participants are required to upload a 3-minute video of 3 yoga practices, Kriya, Asana and Pranayama, including a short video message descriptions on how said the yogi practices influence their lives. Thank you.